Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing very well today. So today I'm going to fix this motherboard. This is HP EliteBook 840G5 laptop motherboard, and this motherboard condition is no display. It's turning on with black screen. So now I will try to fix this motherboard. So let's try to fix it. Okay, as you can see, this is a motherboard part number. So this motherboard already someone tried to fix, but they could not fix it and sent to us. Now I will try to fix this motherboard. So let me show you the condition first. So as soon as I plugged in, this power LED is blinking and it's turned on with low amps. It's taking only 0.154 and it's not, so it's turning on already, but no display with black screen. So now I will check all the required voltage and signal step by step. So I set my multimeter in DC mode. So now I'm going to start from main power rail, which is 12 volt. So I can check this current sense resistor here. So we have 11.94 and it's perfect. Now I will check the 3 volt and 5 volt always. This is a 3 volt, we have 3.3 volt, say 5 volt. Okay, it's present. So now I will check secondary voltage, 3 volt and 5 volt secondary voltage. This is a 5 volt secondary IC. So we have 5 volt, it's good. This is a 3 volt secondary IC here, and we have 3.3 volt, 3.3 volt. So as you can see, 3 volt and 5 volt always, and secondary all the voltage is present and perfect. So now I will check VDTQ RAM supply voltage. So this one RAM supply, we have 1.2. Let's check this voltage is 0.6. This voltage also present. Now I will check this 2.5 volt. This also good. Let's check 1.8. This is a prime. Always voltage is present. This is 1 volt always. 1.05 is always, it's also good, and this is 1.5 is voltage. This also perfect. Let's check this VCCSA. We have 1.0. This voltage also present. Let's check this 1 volt. This also present, but we don't have CPU core voltage. As you can see, core voltage is not present. So let's check this 2 voltage here. 1 volt, other side, good. Okay, check here, 1.2, drain also 1.2. So as you can see, all the required voltage is present in this motherboard. So in this case, problem can be CPU can be fault, main BIOS can be corrupt, or this PWM IC can be problem. And now I will check another things, and the thing is this IC, as you can see here. So now I will check power good voltage in this IC. Let's check this voltage is present or not. So let's check this under my microscope. So let's turn it on. So as you can see this IC here. So this IC power good voltage pin number should be 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So let's check this board view. I have G6 motherboard board view, this one. Okay, this IC pin number 13. As you can see here, VCCIO underscore power good. So now I'm going to check this voltage here. This is a power good. Let's check this pad here. So as you can see, it's showing 1.0, 1.06 or something. Check this other side. Other side 3.3 volt. So here should be 3.3 volt, but it's showing 0.1 instead of 3 volt. So in this case, this IC can be fault. So at first I will make a jumper, or I will short this two sides with my tweezer, and then I will check the problem solved or not. So let's do it. Short here and plugged in. Okay, as you can see, now it's taking 0.475 amps. And let's check the CPU. CPU voltage also present now. So now I will change this IC. So replace this IC from my donor board. Okay, here it is. As you can see, same IC here. Let's check this first. Okay. Okay, replace is done. Now I'm going to check our problem solved or not. So let's plug in. And as you can see, it's taking now 0.456 amps. So I think the problem is solved. Now I'm going to check this is okay or not. I think they didn't check this power good voltage. That's why they couldn't fix this motherboard and send to us. And we check all the required voltage step by step, and we found this power good voltage was 1 volt instead of 3 volt, and we just replace this IC and this motherboard back to work again. So now we need to wait for a few seconds to see the display. It will take few seconds. Okay, it's done. Display is okay now, so everything is okay, and I hope everything will work properly. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button, and if you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much.